guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in tonight's video it is Monday minis. Let's just go ahead and take a sip of my sparkling water, which is the bubbly flavor, or brand I should say. The flavor is blueberry pomegranate. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. I love me some bubbly. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open up my binder. I have all my little singles here ready to go. Let's just count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take each challenge out. Let me put this over here. Okay, so let's just start. So for those that might be new and this is your first time watching this, what I do is on Mondays I take 20 singles and I have 6 challenges here and a 6-sided dice, and I roll the dice, and every time it lands on a number, so this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I put $2 into that challenge. You know what I'm going to do tonight? I'm actually going to do $1 just so I can prolong this video because these tend to be a little bit short. So let's just go ahead and start. So we have 5, 4. I got confused. I thought this was 4. 5, 2, 5. Wait. Oh no. This is 5. This is 5. 2. Okay. 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5. Oh man, I was hoping I can finish 6 tonight. I don't think 6 is gonna get another 4, but I have $5 left. 4, 2, 3. Who's gonna get the last dollar? 5. Okay, well, they all got something tonight at least, so that's good. Let's just move my tower over, and we're going to go ahead and move these challenges over, and we're going to go through each one and see how much each one got, and then color the appropriate things or mark off whichever one is appropriate. All right, let's just go get this one here, which is the Renew Challenge from Budget with Carly, and I just got a 1, so I will cross off a 1. This challenge now has 25, 26, 7, 8, 9. And this is going to save me 75. The next one is Everyone's Invited to the Picnic. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's great. All right, so let me get my markers here. I need a thing to color on. So 5. Is there a 5? Okay, so oh, I do have a 5 right here. I'm going to leave, I'll just leave a few of these out just in case I need them instead of bringing it out again. I'll just keep those off to the side. Okay, so this challenge now has 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3. And this is going to save me 65. The next one is the Cute Owl Savings from Syndicate Budgets. So this is going to be $3. Again, I don't have a 3, so I will put 3 here. This challenge now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to save me 40, but the way I'm doing it, I'm going to save a little bit more than that. The next one is this spicy challenge here. I have $2 from my last one, and each is going to be 6. So let's see if I have enough to color 2 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and color in 2 of these. And this challenge is going to save me 60. So far I have $6. Oh, this envelope just completely ripped open. It's okay. The next one is going to be Tiki Bears. Let's just get that challenge out. It's right here. And Tiki Bears got 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. That is great. All right, so let's just get my marker here. So I'm going to do a 3. And then I need a 1 or 2 actually. So Tiki Bears now has 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's $29. The next one and the last one is this one here from mbbmusic, and I'm just going to color in 1 bubble for $2. I was hoping to be done with this one, but maybe next week. Okay, so I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 28 out of 32. All right, you guys, so that is it. This is my Monday minis. I do have some Happy Mail, so let me move this binder off to the side and show you guys what I got. I got this from the Sassy Mystic on Etsy, who is Mel here on YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Mystic Budgetz. I love her. She is great. So I got 3 challenges from her. I got the extra groceries, which is $100 savings. It's little scratch offs. And I got this one here, which is a wolf savings challenge for your doggies, $85. And then I got this one, which is a 3-in-1. It is date night. You're gonna save, you roll a dice and you write the amount in the box, on the little bubbles, or you scratch off, or you can color in, and you can color in the letters. For each word set is for $15. So yeah, this challenge can save you 110 plus. This one's 85, and then this one is 100. All right, and you guys, I went a little bit cuckoo nuts on TikTok shop. I bought myself some pens, so let me get them ready. I got this one. This one says, "More caffeine, please." And then I got a little sloth, so adorable. And then I got this one here. It says, "Have the day you deserve." I got Dog Mom, so adorable. And you guys, look at these. Oh my God, so adorable, so cute. So yeah, these are my new little pens. I actually just bought 4 more last night. I didn't need them, but they're so cute. All right, I will show you those when they come in. But for now, this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And leave me, let's see. Leave me a paw emoji. That way I know you guys are at this point. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.